mention everyone by name here. So we have Vijay, Brother Bobby, Brother Anand, Albert, Brother Joji, Brother Robin, Brother Prabha, and Brother Elias. So I know some of these men haven't been up on stage to sing any song. At least I haven't seen. So I know they've been practicing a lot. I know the ladies in their house know about it. So let's hear from them. No more hype.
Thank you, Sharon, and we are really excited to be here on stage. A little bit about the song we are about to sing. The song was coined back in the 70s by the beloved missionary, the late Dr. Emil Jebasing, and he composed and wrote the lyrics for the song. And it was made immortal by one of the best bass voices that India has ever produced, the late Dr. Reverend Sam Kamalesan. And I still have that audio cassette back home somewhere, and it's an immortal composition. And I know the gentlemen have practiced really hard, and the two ladies have kept us in line. A special thanks to both Joanna and Brianna for that, and also for Joanna for arranging the harmonies and arranging the entire arrangement. So special thanks to both of them at this point in time. So let's all worship together.